A little bird came by my way. Somebody loves you too, I heard her say. That moment, I knew that she was talking about you. Cause everyone knows how I feel about you. I hope you do too. I love you. If stars were to talk, they would speak about my love for you. If the moon were to smile, it would smile at me, cause it knows you love me too. If angels were to exist, they would sing for us, cause even they know you for me are 1 in 100. I'm glad I found you, dearest. I love you, sweetheart. The day you asked me out, I had no doubt. I knew you were perfect for me, and only with you I set my heart free. But today, after all the highs and lows, I realized that I love you more. My love, I for you is even more real. I am finally sure about the way I feel. I know that I respect you, or what comes by way. I want you by me, night or day. Nothing will ever be able to take my love from you. I would always long to hear you saying that you love me too. You are not my need in life, you are my life on the whole. Winning your love in life is my only goal. Girl, you play the most important role in my life. I love you so much. When I think about you, I only think of you. With you, I got so much happiness. Do you have a clue that I was and I am in love with you? Yes, baby, that is true. I love you. My love for you is real. My love for you is not fake, not for the heck of it, not for just the sake. My love for you is pure, and I feel loved and allured. With you in life, I love you. My love is so sweet, and it starts with your wonderful name. My love for you is passion. It is the eternal flame that will keep burning till the end. Without any regret or any pretend, I love you a lot. You have an amazing effect on my and also my heart. Baby, when you are apart, I feel so blue. Baby, you know that my love for you is true, and it's only for you. I love you. You know what I feel for you. You know that I truly love you. Baby, it's not for today. It was from the start. You know that you are so special, and you stay in my heart. I love you.